Well, welcome to the video about zipping and submitting your digital photography work. Now, your machine is probably set up differently, but if you look at mine, I have a folder called, right at the top of my screen, I have a folder called Insight 1314. Then I have a folder called Digital Photo, or Dig Photo, and that's where I keep all my work. Now, for you, you're going to probably have a folder called Dig Photo, and then you'll have folders for each of the different units we have. But what I want to do is I want to show you how you're going to zip your work. So I'm going to go into this extra folder I have that has a few pictures in it. So you can see these three pictures. There's one of a girl feeding some deer. Here's a picture of grandpa and a girl. And here are a couple of kids at a party. First thing I want to do, see how descriptive these files names are for these two? We need to fix this file name. So I just click on it one time, and then that name changes. So I'm going to say kids party. So I know exactly what that picture is when I send it, right? So what you're going to do, so I have these three pictures in this folder called Digital Photo. Now for you, if I go back to our course, see back to our course, you're going to have a folder, like for this first assignment, a folder called Your House. And you're going to put three pictures in that. Then you're going to have a folder called The Park. Then in the composition unit, you're going to have a folder called Assignment 3. Then in Light and Flash unit, you're going to have a folder called Assignment 4. So those are the folders you will create. So in fact, I'll go ahead and do mine similar to what yours might look like. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go ahead and change the name of this to Your House. So let's pretend you have this folder called Your House, and you'll also have a folder called The Park, etc., right? So Your House, you have that folder, and you have the pictures that you've took from your house. Now these are just sample pictures. These aren't what your assignment's going to be like, because you're going to take actual pictures of your house. But for demonstration purposes, here's what yours looks like. You have your digital photo folder, and then you have your house folder, the park folder, and all your other folders. So you have these pictures of your house in the Your House folder. You need to submit that zipped folder. Here's how you do it. You right click, and then this says send to, and I just hit compressed zipped folder. I do that and watch what happens. This gives me a folder called Your House as a zipped folder. Now I can submit that zipped folder as an attachment in the Dropbox. So you do not submit individual pictures. You submit the zipped folder of just those pictures. Not the whole class, not your whole digital photo, but just that folder with that assignment. So I'm going to delete that, and I'll show you again. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. Well, actually what I'll show you is I accidentally deleted that, but I can get this back. So I'm going to do that, take that. So I'm going to copy that. So I accidentally deleted the Your House folder. I want to delete this zip folder. Okay, so again, here's my Your House folder that I created that you're going to have. I right click, send to, compress zipped, and it's that compressed zip that I end up submitting in the Dropbox. And when you submit that, then all three pictures come along with it. So I'm going to delete the zip. Now, the course, I think, talks about downloading a program called 7-Zip or WinZip or something like that. You might have all that, but all modern Windows computers now have this process where you just right-click, send to, compress zip folder, and it zips it for you. So that's all I needed to show you, but no matter how you zip, whatever program you use, you must submit your work as zipped folders for that assignment. For that assignment only. So again, you're going to end up with a folder called Your House, a folder called The Park, a folder called Assignment 3, a folder called Assignment 4, etc. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope that helps you out with submitting your work.